Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 40 plus useful words to use instead of very. Very happy. Ecstatic. She's very happy. She's practically jumping for joy. She's ecstatic. It's like she's won the lottery. Very sad. Heartbroken. He's very sad. It's like his whole world has fallen apart. He's heartbroken. I've never seen him like this before. Very good. Excellent. The food is very good. I always want more. The food is excellent. I always want more. Very hot. Scorching. It's very hot. I feel like I'm melting. It's scorching. I can't even stand outside for a minute. Very cold. Freezing. It's very cold. I can't feel my toes. It's freezing. I need to wrap up warm. Very easy. Effortless. It's very easy. I could do it in my sleep. It's effortless. I don't even need to think about it. Very difficult. Challenging. It's very difficult. I don't know if I can do it. It's challenging. I'm not sure if I can succeed. Very good. Outstanding. The movie was very good. I enjoyed every minute. The movie was outstanding. It's the best I've seen in years. Very bad. Atrocious. The service was very bad. I'm never coming back here. The service was atrocious. They got everything wrong. Very expensive. Costly. It's very expensive. I can't afford it. It's costly. Only the rich can buy it. Very cheap. Dirt cheap. It's very cheap. I can't believe how affordable it is. It's dirt cheap. I'm going to buy two. Very tired. Exhausted. I'm very tired. I could sleep for a week. I'm exhausted. I don't think I can keep my eyes open. Very messy. Chaotic. It's very messy. I can't find anything. It's chaotic. I don't even know where to start cleaning. Very simple. Basic. It's very simple. Even a child could understand it. It's basic. There's nothing complicated about it. Very complicated. Complex. It's very complicated. I don't even know where to begin. It's complex. It'll take me days to figure it out. Very boring. Dull. It's very boring. I'm falling asleep. It's dull. There's nothing to do here. Very busy. Hectic. I have a very busy work schedule. I don't have a minute to spare. I have a hectic schedule. I'm rushed off my feet. Very smart. Brilliant. He's very smart. He knows everything. He's brilliant. He always has the answer. Very dumb. Stupid. He's very dumb. He can't even tie his own shoes. He's stupid. He never understands anything. Very loud. Deafening. It's very loud. I can't hear myself think. It's deafening. I need to cover my ears. Very quiet. Silent. It's a very quiet place. You could hear a pin drop. It's silent. Not even the birds are singing. Very big. Gigantic. That building is very big. You can't miss it. It's gigantic. It towers over everything else. Very small. Tiny. The toy car is very small. You could hold it in the palm of your hand. It's tiny. It could sit on your fingertips. Very fast. Lightning quick. He's very fast. He's like a blur. He's lightning quick. You can barely see him move. Very slow. Snail paced. This car is very slow. We're never going to get there at this place. It's snail paced. We need to drive faster. Very brave. Courageous. He's very brave. He's not afraid of anything. He's courageous. He'll do anything to help others. Very afraid. Terrified. She's very afraid. She won't even leave the house. She's terrified. She's shaking like a leaf. Very strong. Mighty. He's very strong. He could lift a car. He's mighty. He's like a superhero. Very weak. Feeble. He's very weak. He can barely lift his arm. He's feeble. He needs help just to stand up. Very clean. Immaculate. It's very clean. It looks like it's never been touched. It's immaculate, not a speck of dust anywhere. Very dirty. Filthy. It's very dirty. I don't even want to touch it. It's filthy. It needs a good scrubbing. Very interesting. Fascinating. This story is very interesting. I could listen to it all day. It's fascinating. I never knew that before. Very noisy. Ear-splitting. It's very noisy. I can't focus at all. It's ear-splitting. I need to cover my ears. Very quiet. Serene. It's very quiet. It's like being in a dream. It's serene. I feel at peace here. Very tall. Towering. He's very tall. He's like a skyscraper. He's towering. He looks down on everyone. Very heavy. Weighty. It's very heavy. I can't lift it. It's weighty. I need help to move it. Very light. Featherlight. It's very light. I can carry it with one finger. It's featherlight. It feels like it might float away. Very old. Ancient. It's very old. It must be hundreds of years old. It's ancient. It looks like it's from another era. Very young. Juvenile. He's very young. He still has a lot to learn. He's juvenile. He acts like a child sometimes. Very bright. Dazzling. It's very bright. I need sunglasses. It's dazzling. It's like staring into the sun. Very dark. Pitch black. It's very dark. I can't see a thing. It's pitch black. I'm scared to move.